Hold. Explain your sneeze.
I'm sorry?
Do you have allergies?
No.
Is there too much pepper on your salad?
I don't put pepper on salads.
I've heard enough. Sit over there.
Guys, help me.
Sheldon, come on.
Yeah, it's just one sneeze. You're on your own.
See you, buddy. And until you acquire a surgical mask, please address your comments to me through a napkin.
When can I sit with you again?
When I've seen 2 consecutive negative throat cultures spaced 12 hours apart, you know the drill. I am off to start a prophylactic course of antibiotics.
Whoa, you heard the man. Where's your throat cultures?
Kidding. Sit down.